Good morning, dear students. This is your English period. Do you remember what have we done in last period? We were learning the lesson Major Dhyan Chand. What have we seen in this lesson? Major Dhyan Chand was the captain of Indian hockey team. And Indian hockey team won the match against Germany in 1936. The ruler of Germany, Adolf Hitler, offered Major Dhyan Chand a very good salary if he joins the Germany team. But Major Dhyan Chand refused this offer because he was a true Indian. So children, today we are going to write the question answers of this lesson. Major Dhyan Chand, questions and answers. Meanings of difficult words. First one, waterlogged. That means saturated with or full of water. Postpone. Cause or arrange for something to take place at a time later than the first schedule. Novel. Typically representing character and action with some degree of realism. Barefoot. Wearing nothing on the feet. Fruitless. Failing to achieve the desired result, or unproductive or useless. Pounced. Spring or swoop suddenly so as to catch the prey. Spectators. A person who watches a snow game or an event. Spellbound. Past tense of spellbind, that is fascinate. Dribbling. Taking the ball forward past opponents with slight touches of the hockey stick. Resorted. Turn to adopt so as to resolve a difficult situation. Charismatic. Exercising a compelling charm which inspires devotions in others. Fondly, with affection or liking. Now see the questions. Name the following. First one, the host of the 1936 Olympic Games. Can you name? Yes, it is Berlin, Germany. Ruler of Germany, Adolf Hitler. Not comfortable with the wet ground, that is Indian team. Scored the first goal, Roop Singh, that is he is from Indian team. Did not let the passes go west. Players in the D, that is players in defenders area. Captain of Indian team, he is Major Dhyan Chand. Pounced on Dhyan Chand and hurt him. He is a German goalkeeper. Third time winners of Olympic gold medal for hockey, and that is our Indian team. Language study. Find out the verbs from the given paragraph. So children, I am reading the verbs for you. I am reading the paragraph for you, and then we'll write the verbs from the paragraph. In the second half of the match, the Indian team found a firm footing. The entire team played as one and made 3 more goals against Germany. 2 of them were made by captain of the Indian team, Dhyan Chand. However, the German players were also trying their level best to win. They too succeeded in making 1 goal. So the verbs in this paragraph are as follows. First one is found. Okay, did you see this verb? The Indian team found a firm footing. So found is the past tense of the verb find. Played, the past tense of play. Made, past tense of make. Trying, present continuous tense of try. then win, and last one is making, that is present continuous tense of make. Use the following phrases in your own sentences. So children, here are the phrases, and I am giving you the homework that you are going to find the meaning of these phrases, okay, and the sentences I have written for you. The homework I have written on the next slide, but please listen to me. You are going to find the meanings of the given phrases. Which are the phrases? Be sure of, try one's level best, at any cost, and the last one is turn down the offer. Okay, so let us see the sentences first, and you will find the meanings of the phrases. Be sure of, I am sure of getting full marks in mathematics. Try one's level best, Neha tried her level best in the dance competition. At any cost, I will finish my assignment today at any cost. Turned down the offer, the honest man turned down the offer of getting gold free of cost. And the homework is find the meanings of the phrases which we have written on earlier slide. Okay, so please write down those phrases, and in front of that write down the meanings of those phrases. Do the homework. Thank you, children.